Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing legalized gambling in Thailand. And I've had a lot of people ask me about this, especially in recent days. I'm not going to quote any articles, but just some of these headlines. There's been a number of them. Soldiers raid gambling operation, arrest 53 Chinese. 5 arrested in crackdowns on drugs, online gambling. And the third headline, 200 million baht football gambling ring busted. That's all just from the Bangkok Post and just from roughly the past 7 days. Another article from Thai PBS World, just the headline, PM concerned over illegal gambling during Euro 2020 soccer tournament. Again, there just seems to be gambling. Don't know how to say this, but there's a lot of gambling, and people will gamble whether it's legal or not, unfortunately. So what do you do with that? And we've discussed gambling a little bit here recently, especially the notion that the quote-unquote second wave clusters arose in illegal casinos here in Thailand, and there was a lot of talk back then. My personal opinion is I'm not necessarily one way or the other on legalized gambling for Thailand. I personally have a background in the gaming industry. I've worked in a casino for a number of years, especially while I was going through law school, and I certainly understand the pros of it. It does create a lot of jobs. It acts as it can create a real draw, especially to a tourism center, and especially where you've got a tourism center that is kind of in the doldrums, not unlike Thailand is presently. I think, a serious consideration of legalized gambling is a good idea. Whether or not one should ultimately, or a country or a jurisdiction should ultimately go ahead and do it, that's kind of a different matter, and you kind of need to look at a number of other factors associated with the given environment in which you're looking to put that kind of operation. That said, I mean, based on all of these headlines and things and sort of the overall situation, one would think it wouldn't be a terrible idea as of now for Thailand to seriously maybe give that a look and possibly weigh the pros and cons as to legalization of gambling here in the Kingdom of Thailand.